And now we got a tornado warning for, this is for Kendall and Will County. We're now heading towards Bolingbrook and Romeoville. And you can see these two confirmed tornadoes right where you can see in Kane and DuPage. Incoming tornado warning. Repeat, incoming tornado warning.
If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest
But also we want to stress that even straight line winds could cause really a lot of damage with winds upwards of 60, 70, 75 miles per hour. They could be just as strong as tornadic winds. So everyone under these warnings really needs to take them seriously. A lot of damage can come out of straight line winds as well.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern California.
But yes, this one signature coming into the southeast east sweep is definitely something we want to note. So the confirmed tornado, and then you can see that warning over there.
It seems like that's the confirmed tornado. This must be, I think it's a confirmed tornado.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Aurora, Naperville, Goldenrod, Romeoville, Plainfield, and outskirts around 9 p.m. Winds around 9 p.m.
This is the traditional way we show the red light because it shows us where the rain's falling and coming down. The debris signatures that's on shelter out there gives us an idea.
We don't see any large confirmed tornado yet. We don't see any PDS, particular dangerous situation, yet.
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from your lives. If you spot a tornado going once into the basement or small vessel or abandoned structure, the tornado warning remains in effect until